Sorry, I don't know if this is a bird or a plane. Oh my god.
Good, love me, feel so. No, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride, 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 ride me.
What's up, beauties? It's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 3 that's super late of hair week. I am so sorry. Okay, I do have a good explanation for this, and as you can tell, I'm so sick. I'm so congested. It's disgusting. Like, I'm annoying myself with how I sound right now. But we're gonna get through this video. We're gonna power through. All right. I was doing hair week last week. I sure was. But I was also working a really what do we want to say, like time-consuming, demanding event, and I actually did not have time to edit last week at all. My call time was at like 8 a.m. and then I got home around 11, and by then I was just like super tired. So I'm sorry. We are picking back up with day 3. I'm sorry it's late. I'm also sorry if I sound very congested because your girl got sick. You know, when you're dealing with thousands of people and touching everybody's phone and you're not sleeping, you get a little sick. So I am feeling a little under the weather, but we're gonna push through. All right, so day 3 of hair week, I have a curly unit for you guys. Day 2, we did a bob, and now we're going into some length. So I feel like this beach wavy look is perfect for spring break, perfect for the springtime. It looks like you just arose from the water and you're like basically a mermaid, you know? So this unit right here is from missbuy.com. You guys have probably heard of them. They do have a lot of sister companies that I've actually worked with as well. But yeah, I've never tried a unit from Miss Buy. So this is my first one, which I love. However, when I placed this order, I'm pretty sure I ordered a number 2. Actually, I know I did because I checked back in the email. I ordered a number 2, and this is like more of a 1B color, which is fine. It's cool, but like I wanted a lighter brown. This hair was originally 22 inches. It is a body wave texture, and it's 150% density. Now, like I said, it was originally 22 inches. You guys know me. You gotta snip. I just have to. I'll show you what it originally looked like, and then when I first trimmed it, and then I trimmed it again. So when I first got the wig out of the packaging, it was a lot. It had like its defined curl, but I didn't like it that much. So I did wash it, and of course when you just wash any wig with just like your regular shampoo and conditioner, you are not gonna get the same curls or the same shape that it originally had. So, since I didn't want my hair to keep that like dry looking frizzy effect from just washing it, I picked up some oil. I was on the phone with Bianca Renee. I was like, girl, I'm in the curly aisle. What do I get? I'm looking at everything. I'm finding like the sulfate free, everything free, good for your hair curls, you know? So I came across the Maui Moisture Collection, and I've never tried them before, but I texted her and I was like, do you recommend? And she said, girl, I'm working on a video right now. So she actually loves Maui, so that made me happy. I felt like, you know, I'm stepping into a curly game, like I kind of know some things. So yeah, this is the Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Raw Oil for dry and damaged hair. It is creamy shea butter, rich coconut oil, pure macadamia oil. It's silicone free, and there's a lot of other things that it's free of. I'm actually going to talk more about this product when I do my updated curly hair video because it's absolutely amazing, and it helps maintain the curl, maintain the texture of the hair without making it frizzy and stuff like that. I will say a little bit does go a long way with that stuff, but we will talk more about that in my short hair update. So as for the cap construction of this wig, we do have 4 combs, 2 adjustable straps, and the parting is pretty dang good. Like, there's this much leave out, like that much. I didn't put any concealer, nothing in the part. I didn't pluck it, and I really didn't do a lot to this to make it look this good, you know what I'm trying? However, I did have to pull out some of my got2b only because the little flaps on the side were sticking out, and those would not stay down. So I did use that just on the sides to hold that part of the wig down. So like I said, for spring, curls, waves, it just makes sense. This is a body wave, and I think this is perfect for the springtime if you're going to the beach, girl, you know, mermaid vibes. Speaking of mermaids, did y'all know there's gonna be a mermaid museum? I'm trying to go. And I love how at the top near the part the hair is still pretty flat, so you don't have to worry about the curls coming all the way to the top and it looking like there's too much volume up here and looking really fake. I feel like it laying flatter at the top makes it look a little bit more natural. The shipping for this unit did come pretty quickly, so I really don't have any complaints other than this isn't the color I ordered, but I didn't want to return it and then go through that whole hassle because it's always just a hassle all the way back to China. Like, I just, you know, the cap fits pretty well. You guys know I have a smaller head, so the cap does fit good. I feel comfortable. I feel ready to go. And I really think you guys would like this hair. So I will have the information in the description box below. If you guys have any questions that I didn't talk about, didn't mention, please let me know in the comment section. Sorry, I don't know if this is a bird or a plane. Oh my God. I think that bird just died. Oh my gosh, no. As usual, if you guys have any questions that I did not talk about, go over, it's not in the description box. Let me know in the comment section and I'll be sure to get back to you. I'm fanning my throat like that's gonna help. It's not. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm feeling sick, need to get some tea, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye y'all.